Hi you guys, and welcome to week 5 of distance learning in 6th grade math. Let's get started. This week's assignment is going to be for the week of April 20th through 24th. Make sure you complete this assignment by Friday at 4 p.m. This week we'll be modeling and solving one variable, one-step equations and inequalities that represent problems including geometric concepts. Keep in mind that we have already completed this concept and covered this concept in school, and this is just a review. You'll be responsible for doing 2 remote learning activities, also playing a game, Math B-Ball, and you can have the option of doing an Imagine Math pathway. When you look on Google Classroom, all of your information will be under Distance Learning Week 5. Please make sure you complete all 3 assignments in order to get full credit. The first assignment that you're responsible for is a remote learning lesson, one-step equations with integers. You're responsible for watching a video and for completing the remote learning Google form. You want to make sure that you complete the entire form and make corrections if necessary. Remember, if you make below an 80, you should be making corrections on a separate sheet of paper. The next assignment is the remote learning lesson 2. This time you're going to be solving one-step equations with rational numbers. So that means you're going to be using fractions and decimals and integers in order to resolve it. Make sure you watch the video on operations with rational numbers, and also make sure you complete the actual lesson and make sure you complete that Google form with those 5 questions. Again, if you make an 80 or below, make sure you do corrections on a separate sheet of paper. Alrighty, and the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the basketball. So you're going to have a basketball assignment that you have to do, and you can click on the math play. When you play this actual game, you're going to be either the red or blue team, and it asks you to solve the problem. So you choose an answer for which problem. I'm just choosing a random answer. It will tell you whether it's right or wrong. Please don't forget that all assignments are a grade. Many of you have not turned in all of your assignments, and those grades are not going in the grade book. Remember, this is the 4th 9 weeks, the last 9 weeks of school, so you want to make sure you get things done. If you're having trouble, please contact me and I can help you. Also, don't forget our Google Hangouts on Monday and Wednesday afternoon, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd period, 4th, 6th, and 7th period. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd are going to be at 1 p.m. and 4th, 6th, and 7th are going to be at 1:35. Make sure you guys are logging on because I have a lot of people with questions, but they're not logging on. So this week, I want everybody to log on so we can have a full class and make sure that we're learning the activities necessary. And please don't forget that on Fridays, we have online tutorials. You can sign up for one-on-one sessions or small group sessions. There is a sign-up sheet on Google Classroom, and I usually send it out every Friday. If you're interested, please sign up, and I will send you a link in your email. So let's recap what we're going to be doing for this week. Make sure you watch the introduction video for the week. Complete one-step equations remote lesson 1. Complete one-step equations remote lesson 2. Play Math B-Ball equations game, and if you like, you can also complete an Imagine Math pathway on one-step equations. That Imagine Math pathway is an optional pathway. It is not a requirement. Remember that all assignments are due on Fridays.